But it's going to be enough of the low pressure area that it'll move up along this frontal boundary, move just off of the New England coast, and dump maybe a quick 3 to 5 inches of snow from Boston back to the northern New York suburbs, back into central PA. It's already been snowing hard in places like London, Kentucky, and on up toward the, just east of the Lexington area, on over toward Jackson, Kentucky. 3 inches on the ground there, just like that. Now it appears to be tapering off, 1 inch on the ground at last check at Charleston, West Virginia. Some of that snow now starting to get up into south central Pennsylvania near Chambersburg and back towards Somerset in PA as well. Here's a little bit of a radar tour. Some rain now starting to move into New York. It's rain right now, but looks like it may be going to snow up here to the northwest. Scranton, the Slate Belt back into central PA. Rain for D.C. and Philadelphia, probably staying all rain here. But this is snow, a wet snow, back into the mountainous areas once again. As we head farther south, looks like some heavier, maybe some sleet mixed in here just near Bristol. Then as we head farther on toward the south, we get all rain around the Atlanta metropolitan area.
It is cold in Minnesota and on into the Great Lakes tonight. We've got temperatures in the 30s in Nashville, but out ahead of that front, it's still in the 60s. Wow, what a contrast in the two air masses. Right now, it's about 54 degrees in Seattle, Washington, and we've got more rain on the way. Let me tell you about that. That onshore flow continues to bring the heavy rain possibilities right on through Friday. And then as the winds rise in the Rockies, we're going to see some mountain snow. The winds come down the pike, and we've got high winds, and the downsloping effect will create a warming trend Tuesday through Friday for the plains.
With snowfall affecting much of the nation this week, medical officials are once again
as you can see, 6 to 12 inches of snow possible where we have the gray shading there. All right, in the west, we expect
the
a little more in some of the northern and western suburbs. So we're going to be watching this very closely because it will be moving so quickly and dumping so much heavy, wet snow. 30 degrees in Jackson, Mississippi. So definitely looking at some cold air in place tonight, all the way south towards Shreveport, Louisiana. It has cooled down significantly in Atlanta, and it will continue to cool down even more. In the eastern corridor, we will take you to the northwest first of all and show you the rain around Seattle, all the way south to Salem and Astoria. Keep in mind, we do have some snow in the Cascades, just not showing up that well. Wow, the rain is already moving into the northeastern corridor. New York City, Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Dulles, all reporting rain. We've got a band of snow that is heading on into Pittsburgh, and wow, we've had some heavy snow in places like Charleston, West Virginia. Remember, it's going to change over to snow in New York City, and we could see heavy amounts in some of the major metropolitan areas. Let's look at your forecast now this weekend.